Hello, my amazing country people. How una dey, oh, my people? My country people, una don hear. Una know say this court case when e be say they just concluded and the matter was adjourned. It's just that they have almost finalized every of the matter. The Queen May mansion, that place where be say Queen May dey stay, when e be say Yul Edochie don dey put eye for the place, just dey una know say the first time Yul Edochie, that time wey be say the otomokpo when e be say Judy do for am, where the body dey catch am that time, e say make dem sell the mansion so that dem go share the money. Hey, Chineke, I say God, this Judy, una see this Judy. That is why I no dey sorry for the woman. Somebody that cannot build, but you know how to destroy. Do you know how long it takes somebody to build a mansion? Yul Edochie say make dem sell the mansion, make dem sell the mansion, make dem share the money. Say because na two of them build the mansion. Court come ask am say where im children dey stay. He say na the house. Oh, na the house na im the children dey stay. He say okay, if dem sell the house, where you want make the children stay? E dey look dem. Na im dem tell am say you see this house, dem no go sell am. Say house wey be say children dem dey inside and they dey live comfortably. Nobody go display the children because of your own selfish interest. Dem tell am say that one is ruled out. That was the plan wey Judy initially plan with Yul Edochie. When they sell the mansion, the money, then they go come groove the money. Because this kind of human being is not capable of building. Judy Austin is not capable of building. If Judy Austin is capable of building, there was a time when it be said they made 10 million naira from their Facebook shenanigans wey dem do. Instead of them go invest the money, Judy advised Yul Edochie say make dem use the money go rent house for Abuja. Say na for Abuja e dey happen. Say if dem rent house for Abuja finish, then dem go so relax, Jagaban go fix Nigeria. Before you know, by the time dem do am like 1 month, 2 months, Jagaban go recognize am, Jagaban go see am. My people, no be small thing. No. This same Jagaban, this same Tinubu, Sheyi Tinubu, when e be say Judy Austin and Yul Edochie, they go they do sote. Yul Edochie come one go away go see Sheyi Tinubu. As he sees, immediately he see Sheyi Tinubu, na main nation, and a lot of people come tell Sheyi Tinubu say make he no ever inculcate Yul Edochie in anything that has to do with politics. Say Yul Edochie abandon his wife and his children, go give another person wife belle. In fact, if you see the way dem condemn Yul Edochie, Sheyi Tinubu come respond say im don hear, and that was it. But Judy Austin former bestie when I be Sarah Martins, when I know say Sarah Martins dey cook food for streets, when Kai officials they can't go scatter wetin they do, so take that process hot oil compound for her. This same Sheyi Tinubu, when e be say Yul Edochie and Judy Austin, the hustle make dem see, make dem go meet. This same Sheyi Tinubu give Sarah Martin 20 million naira. Una see the kind bad luck wey be say Judy Austin they carry the waka. So now the court matter, Judy Austin secretly write give court say make they beg say make dem remove that this thing. Say na Yul Edochie, im dey blame Yul Edochie. He said whatever that happen, whatever that transpire, he said no be his her intention to destroy Queen May home. Say na Yul Edochie na im people should blame because na im cause everything. Na im be the architect when he construct everything. Say no be say him wey be say e be Judy, he no get that kind of money. He no get 100 million no, when he go pay Queen May. In the secretly they write those things so that make court consider am. e dey say am so. Now when court rule against Yul Edochie, say he don already forfeit that mansion, be that e dey hold Queen May sister, and most of the money wey be say Queen May sister borrow am, enough fit pay all those kind of thing. So for that mansion, he don already lost that one, don lost everything. So at the end of the day, you go come dey ask yourself, say wetin be the issue of wetin be the gain wey be say Judy gain from all this whole thing. Now Yul Edochie wey be say e sabi perm under women, Judy Austin now somehow dey happy say court no rule in favour of Yul Edochie because of this Lizzy Gold. Now another thing wey be say e dey make Judy dey very very sad. You see, anytime wey Judy, because according to wetin Judy former bestie wey dem dey call Sarah talk, e say Judy no dey very comfortable seeing woman near Yul Edochie. Say even if the art movie finish, say down to poster wey dem want to do, e no go want make dem put woman poster near Yul Edochie. So to tell you how she dey very very obsessed with Yul Edochie, e no like woman around Yul. Now Lizzy Gold don take over. Lizzy Gold don even call Judy Yul Edochie Odogwu. E dey say am so. So Lizzy Gold now, as Lizzy Gold dey with Yul Edochie, the thing dey pain Judy to the extent of he no mind any bad thing when e wan happen to Yul Edochie. E no concern am again because Judy dey vex. The thing dey pain Judy well well. And why Judy never come out? Because when those in warriors, and they say Judy speak out to Judy, no buy in silent to Judy speak out. Why Judy never fit speak out? Be say na Yul Edochie na say dey feed am. Down to rice when Judy go buy a bag of rice so that they buy for house, down to garri, full stuff for house, na Yul Edochie dey buy because of the children. So if he make any attempt to say in drag Yul Edochie, her own don finish. Una dey say am so. Judy is at the mercy of Yo. That is why she dey for a very tight corner. Front she no go, back she no go. She doesn't even know how to go about this whole thing. She does not know how to go about it because, as me una dey talk so, Judy one una dey see so, she no get nothing. So when e dey beg court say make court help am, make dem forgive am, say this whole, my people, this Judy, e dey try to put everything for Yul Edochie head, and there's no way Judy can escape from this whole thing because you know they marry Yul Edochie, you know they date am, but you open yansh, you born 3 children. You open yansh, you born 3 Gabakidaya. Now where you wan go? In fact, that is one of the reasons why I be say when all those Judy warriors they beg Judy, say Judy speak out, we dey behind you. Una dey behind me, come on, money for bag of rice una no bring, una dey behind me. Judy now they use wisdom on this thing because any attempt wey be say im go drag Yul Edochie, house rent who go pay, chop money who go bring. So this warrior, according to Judy say these warriors dem wey be say they want to push am make you start to dey follow Yul Edochie dey fight, even though say Yul Edochie is not treating her well. Say how much dem go do? Are they going to feed her and the battalion children when they born full years? Are they going to feed her? So that is why she seen dey swallow this whole shit from Yul Edochie. If na for Yul Edochie, hey, Judy don see shege. When they say shege, shege banza dambroba promas. Na Judy don see for Yul Edochie hand. E remain if say Yul Edochie go fit kerewa Judy kerewa Lizzy Gold send the picture give am, e go do am because e detest Judy. Yul Edochie dey complain say na Judy na put her for this condition wey e dey. Una know the condition wey Yul Edochie dey so. Yul Edochie doesn't have a house where go fit lay hand, e head. Na from hotel to hotel, hotel to hotel. And they say na Lizzy Gold na im dey pay. The kind life wey be say yoyoyo dey live na person when e be say e dey do gambling or person when e dey take coke better pass am because now this money wey be say e dey make, e go dey hotel, dey burn am, dey live im life. Yoyoyo as una see am so, e say no be here na Judy go put for that tight corner. Those children when e born full house, make Judy dey take care of them. Make e dey take care of them. Na im go dey sweat around there, dey suffer, dey suffer. Wetin concern am? Once in a while, go throw 20,000 to am. Once in a while, go throw 30,000. Judy go use the money go buy bonga fish, buy small oil, buy use am take borrow take soup like that. They go chop. Na the level wey be say, hey God abeg o, go gwefia. At the level wey be say Judy dey now, of say Yul Edochie go dey feed am, go dey give am small small money when e no even reach am to take even eat good food. So when she was busy, dey born like tomorrow no dey, dey compete with Queen May. Instead of am to dey compete with Queen May by making money, she dey and she don already get two. Come born Star Dike, come born when e born Star Dike, e don get 3 children, abi. Instead of her now to think of how im go take begin you want to get permanent resident, you want to take over, you want to outshine Queen May. I know say Queen May na shining star when e be say you cannot outshine. Now everything don kuregede, everything don agbada don hook barbed wire. E dey beg court. May they have mercy on her. He no get anything when e dey do, no money o. This the highest thing wey court go do be say court go only reduce the money, but you see that money, Judy must pay am. And if they by 20 something of March when they go rule the case, if they rule the case say Judy pay this money, Judy no even get money to even go appeal. So na im know the osusu when he go do, or the warrior, the prick warrior, when he go beg, may they do good for me for am, so that he go gather money when he go pay Queen May. Because once court don give their verdict, you go must obey am. If you no obey am, if Queen May make them na if Queen May report to court, they go send Judy go serve. Because this money wey be say they go give her now, they go say pay since Queen May charge am for 100 million. If they want sorry for her, they fit say okay, pay half. Or if na 20 million sef they say pay. If you no pay the 20 million, come go serve like 2 years for jail. You dey see am so. So they go come gather the money, go come pay Queen May for disturbing her marriage, for causing chaos in her marriage, for scattering her peaceful marriage. You go pay for that one. Then Yul Edochie don kuma lose the mansion patapata. Then Yul Edochie go dey pay for child support. You see that those Queen May children, you know say 2 remain for, like somebody like Daniel don graduate. Daniel fit say okay, he wan go do masters. If he say he wan go do master, maybe it's for abroad, all those kind of thing, they fit apply for scholarship, or Queen May go sponsor. They say so because Queen May get the money. Then the Carl and Zane wey remain, those 2, no matter Yul Edochie income, even if na 100,000, na Yul Edochie go dey provide. 9 born dem, e go dey provide. they don't finish this court matter, we don't know the condition, how he and Judy matter, because as for Yul Edochie wants Judy out of his life. He doesn't want to have anything to do with Judy. Now some people call they wonder, say, what really changed? Is it that Judy all of a sudden no con dey why, in fact this whole thing, why is Judy not even hailing Yul Edochie Sibili again? Why those magic no dey work again? Because when Judy was busy doing this Esemele thing, she was trying to discredit Queen May, trying to make the whole thing look like say na she sabi take care of man well. But everything wey Judy was doing then, I know that she was actually pretending, because if she actually knows how to care about men, knows how to take care of men, I believe she wouldn't have left Mr. Obasi home. So if not that Yul Edochie na person wey be say he does not think very well, he doesn't reason, his sense of reasoning is not high. If or no say, if Judy Austin knows how to take care of men, why did she run away from Mr. Obasi home? So now Judy was doing all these things so that he will use it to trap Yul Edochie. And he actually used it to trap Yul Edochie like for 4 years and open kpeku so that Yul Edochie go dey knack, dey give am belle. You dey see am so. Throughout these 4 years, when he say Yul Edochie come introduce and give with the online in-law, say he don marry, in dey introduce him second wife, which is Judy and Star Dickie. Throughout, na only belle him dey get. Throughout for the relationship, the only thing wey Judy brought into the table is pregnancy. From January to December, Judy is pregnant. As e dey born finish, e no go even breastfeed pikin finish, e don carry another belle. She was just taking in left, right, center. And Yul Edochie did not even enjoy anything. That's also big stomach, big stomach. Now im do till Yul Edochie became fed up. Poverty set in, suffer set in, and Yul Edochie ran away. As Yul Edochie was running, he head dey touch him kpako. So now, Yul Edochie now dey in the comfort of he and Lizzie Gold, then they do their thing. Night go reach, Lizzie Gold go meet am for hotel. Kerewaram they go do. Daytime, they go for location, go out. Just exactly wetin Judy was doing that time. What Judy was doing. That when Yul Edochie and Queen May were husband and wife. It got so bad to the extent of Yul Edochie was even using Judy money. Queen May's money to finance their shenanigans. All this their hotel. Not be today Yul Edochie like hotel. He loves hotel. He loves staying in the hotel, sleeping in the hotel. He's addicted to hotel life. As about when he dey now, he don't even in common sense no tell am say, make I go rent house where I go stay. Furnish am. You can rent a place where you will stay. Look for a place that there's light, and rent that place, furnish it, live there. They live your bachelor's life since e be say man no kpai, man no rotten. You enjoy your life. Because as for suffer, Yul Edochie no sign this suffer. When Judy sign by giving birth, that two of them, though na two of them born the children, no. But Yul Edochie no follow am come. They go reach as children go shit full everywhere. Everywhere go dey smell. This one they pull, they pack out. This one, no time for man to even rest. If you say make he rest, because Star Dickie don't come cry him own. As Star Dickie dey cry finish, Ndubisi go do his own. Then Universal Storm, before I say Yul Edochie borrow leg in peace of mind. He goes dey hotel, go on AC go blank. Lizzy go come, knack am left, right, center. Day break, e go baff, e go order for food, e go eat, e go go location. Leave Judy, make Judy dey there, dey turn around like baba chair with all those battalion when e dey the house. So na the matter when e dey ground be that o. The only thing wey be say Judy now dey do be say Yul Edochie, food o, Yul Edochie go just sorry for am. When e don complain of hunger, Yul Edochie go just throw away like 30,000, 50K give am make dem take cook for the month. Judy go come dey cry say money no reach o, money no reach. Yul Edochie go say manage am, I no get any money, na hustle I dey the hustle. As for kerewa or that affection for where, nothing dey happen. The reason why Yul Edochie dey even dey send small small chop money dey give am na because of say Judy no get money and Yul Edochie cannot let those pikin dem make dem starve for hunger. If not, wetin Judy for take im eye see. In fact, e don even take im eye dey see because na so cry im dey cry, so cry. If dem tell am say e dey cry say if dem tell am say Yul Edochie go behave like this, e no go believe im eye. Say wetin im do to deserve all this whole thing. My people, this na Naija Celebrity Gist TV. Make una like, make una share our video. We dey give una update as things unfold. Now have a nice day. Bye.